Hello, this is Tom. I'm a developer at 3D Berlin, and today I'm going to show you one of the best interactive HTML5 applications for Samsung Smart Signage platform. This is our 3D indoor wayfinding system called Guide 3D. In our application you have two options. First, you can look for a store or destination you like, or always choosing the map, you can check out the building and get a quick overview of it. So let's explore the building. As you can see, we are here, and this map shows you a good overview of the Promenadenhauptbahnhof Leipzig. Here you can see every store available in this floor, and by switching layers you can even check out the other floors. So let's start with something. Imagine you come into this building and you feel like really hungry, so you want to know which food stores are available. So you just can simply choose the category food, and nice, you can see which food stores are available. We have McDonald's, we have Subway, and we even have Burger King. Cool. So imagine now we come to this mall and you feel like you really need for coffee. So we want to know how to get as quick as possible to Starbucks. So you can just enter the name of your destination, in this case Starbucks. And by clicking on it, it will automatically show you a beautiful wayfinding animation from the way to your destination.
So why do you need this? There are so many complex buildings where visitors get lost, and visitors want to know where they are, which destinations are available, and how to get there.